Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Hey! It has been a minute, but we're back with an interesting new spin on making money online with e-commerce by two notorious information publishers Aidan and Steve Clayton, which we already introduced to you on this channel. They successfully started their online retail offer with the Kibo Code back in 2019 to 2020 and released the Kibo Code Quantum in 2020 to 2021. And now they are preparing to launch the Kibo Eclipse in 2022. In a moment, I'll be going over the exact dates they will hold their live presentation and the short window of opportunity where you will be able to jump inside and learn Steve and Aidan's new way of profiting from the massive trend of online retail. The Kibo Code was a product that focused on regular drop shipping, where you'll find a product that was produced in China, stored in a US warehouse, and then sent over to domestic customers after they've purchased. The system had flaws and was impacted by the worldwide crisis that hit us all in 2020. They then went ahead and sold a spin-off called Kibo Code Quantum, where the focus was more on selling through Facebook Marketplace rather than Google Shopping. Although the principles of online retail did not change too much, they sold this Kibo Code version separately since they've added their own proprietary shopping cart and product page software. Now they're preparing to launch Kibo Eclipse, which will again have online retail at its core, but they promised it would be a completely new system and a different approach. Click the link in the description to get my honest Kibo Eclipse review with an exciting bonus offer. Aidan and Steve Clayton promise that it won't be a simple reboot or relaunch of the previous systems. They have already spent close to $1 million perfecting the software and tools that their Kibo students use to run their business. Speaking of students, they've collected numerous success stories and social proof by students that put their trust and hard-earned money towards Aidan and Steve. For the Kibo Eclipse, the core theme will be total domination, as they say. In previous years, they focused on Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. Still, they are now teaching you how to expand your reach of traffic sources and marketplaces to Walmart, Instagram, and TikTok. And besides all of that, they will again give access to a proprietary community forum, where you'll be able to interact with other Kibo Eclipse members, as well as a completely new offer and new product with specifically tailored training modules. The pre-launch training will start mid-January on the 19th, to be exact the official Kibo Eclipse launch will start at the end of January on the 25th. Then you'll have almost 2 weeks to decide if you want to hop on the most promising online retail system up until the 4th of February when the card will close, and with it the window of opportunity to get in with all the other students.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for pricing, ratings, and reviews.